The challenge for us in schools is that we need to be designing a curriculum and learning experiences for children that are focused on the future, not focused on how we experienced school. Maria, in terms of providing a definition of personalised learning, how would you define it?
I suppose we have been taking as our central focus in looking at personalised learning the idea that we want to promote opportunities for each and every student in the college to achieve his or her best. So really when we're talking about personalised learning, we're talking about providing opportunities to tailor education to suit each individual's needs. And I guess we're looking at doing that in three main ways. By tailoring opportunities for students to work at their own pace, by offering some choice in what and how students learn, and by developing flexibility in the modes of instruction. So that's, I guess, the guiding principle of it all.
And Paul, what does that look like in maths for you?
The idea of pace, like personalising the pace, that can be done so well with technology, and technology is advanced to a level where that can be done, so following the students' pace like to a T. So students don't always sort of feel the same way each day. They could be having good days, bad days, and we can use technology to adapt to how each individual student is operating.
And particularly in Year 7, you've been utilising that with Year 7 maths, haven't you? Can you tell us a little bit about how that's worked in Year 7, what that looks like?
It's been going really well so far. We've implemented a program called Mathspace, and this is a tailored maths program, so students can follow the curriculum, but each question is tailored to exactly how they're operating at a maths level.
So how does that work for a Year 7 cohort of students in your maths class?
Look, given the use of the technology, students can't be left behind because the teacher has got direct updates on how every student is progressing.
So you'd have children in your Year 7 maths class at a whole range of different places?
Yes, I've got students operating up to Year 8. They've got access to Year 9 work if they would like. They can choose different parts of the curriculum as they're wanting to.
In primary, Chris, how does that play out in the primary school, that personalised learning concept?
Absolutely. Well, with the Mathspace, we have a couple of Year 6s actually working with the Year 7 group and actually drawing Paul in their classes, and they follow along with the Mathspace system. And so it's fantastic because they can work at their own pace, but then also work with the Year 7 group. We also have the rest of the Year 5s and 6s working on Mathspace as well, along with our other maths curriculum, and they're able to work at their own pace as well and be able to accelerate themselves if they need to. And so it's been working really successfully.
And I think that's really important to know that just because you're in Year 6 doesn't mean that you just have access to Year 6 curriculum.
No, absolutely not. They have access to the Year 7 curriculum and even Year 8 curriculum if need be.
So personalised learning allows us to cater for a diverse skill set in our students too. Paul, feedback from the Year 7s?
They're enjoying it, yeah. They like the freedom to do what they want, when they want. Being able to access that full curriculum.
And do you have a sense that those students that might struggle with maths are able to catch up or progress to a point where they're back where maybe they might want to be?
Yes, in fact that's some of the areas we get the greatest response is from the students that have tended to struggle with maths through primary school. They've sort of come in and they feel like they've been given a bit more freedom to maybe go over some basics and then move on.
And they're the skills that we need to help our children have, aren't they? Independent learning skills, ability to own and construct knowledge themselves as well.